Hello everyone, good evening. This time we will learn about the impacts of the job creation law on the protection of workers' rights in Indonesia. My name is Levis Manzai, class HK 20, uh, 24A, name 2024 009011. For a word, praise to be God Almighty for the abundance of His grace and guidance, so that the author can complete this paper entitled "The Impact of the Job Creation Law on the Protection of Workers' Rights in Indonesia." This paper is complete to fulfill the test academic English and is expected to encourage to readers insight to the main objective of problem faced by workers in Indonesia. I realize that this paper is still far from perfect. Background of the problem: the job creation law passed in 2020 has become a hot topic of debate in Indonesia, especially regarding its impact on the protection of workers' rights. This law is intended to encourage Indonesian economic competitiveness by cutting red tape and facilitating investment. However, some groups believe that the job creation law actually weakens the protection of workers' rights on the opens of opportunities for exploitation. Uh, Research objective is number one, realize the influence of the job creation law on the protection of workers' rights in Indonesia. Number two, identify the positive and negative impacts of the job creation law on the workers' welfare. Number three, provide policy recommendation to improve the protection of workers' rights. The context of the job creation law. Uh, Significance of the study. This study has both theoretical and practical significance. Number one, theoretically, this study is expected to contribute to a deeper understanding of the impact of the job creation law on the protection of workers' rights in Indonesia. Number two, practically, the result of this study can be as the condition for policymakers in formulating policies that are fairer and pro-workers. This study can also provide information and education to workers about their rights and how the job creation law affects them. Uh, Literature review. This study as a literature review that is relevant to the topic of the influence of the job creation law on the protection of the workers' rights in Indonesia. Some relevant sources include number one, law number 11 of uh, 2020 concerning to creation. This law is the main sources us in this study to analysis regulation relate to employment. Number two, law number 13 of 2003 concerning employment. This law is the main reference in the Indonesian employment system before the enhancement of the job creation law. Number three, Yes, number three, scientific journalists. Scientific journals thus discuss the job creation law, protection of workers' rights, and the employment system in Indonesia will be reviewed to obtain a more comprehensive perspective and analysis. Num- uh, Next, research methodology. Research methodology, this study as the qualitative method aware normative legal approach. That the data as asset in this study were obtained from legal source, so as the job creation law, the law manpower law, and relate laws and regulation data. The data obtained were then analysis qualitative async content analysis and legal implementation techniques. Content analysis is assessed to identify and analyze the content of relevant legal sources and literature. Next, implementation is as to interpret and understand the meaning of the rules contained in the job creation law and the manpower law. Result number one, positive impact. The job creative law can encourage Indonesian economic competitiveness by facilitating investment and creating new jobs. Negative impacts. Number two, negative impacts. The job creation law on the potential and weaken to protection of workers' rights, especially regarding minimum wages, outsourcing, and severance pay. This study also found that the job creation law characterizes uncertainty and concern among workers due to new and unclear regulation. Conclusion: based on the result of the study, it can be concluded that the job creation law has a complete impact on the protection of workers' rights in Indonesia. This law has the potential improve the economy, but also has the risk of the weakening the protection of workers' rights. Increase socialization and education about the job creation law to workers, so that they understand their rights and obligation. Encourage dialogue and negotiation between the government employers and workers to find the best solution in implementing the job creation law, implement effective monitoring and law enforcement mechanism, and ensure that the job creation law is implemented fairly and does not harm workers. That's all for me. More or less, I say thank you.